Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Have a good day everyone. Saang mang sulok ng mundo kayo naroroon mga bossing, hangad ko po yung inyong kaligtasan at more blessings pa po sa inyong lahat. Sa mga kababayan kong naghahanap ng quality second-hand cars, panoorin nyo po itong bago kong upload hanggang dulo. Pwede nyo rin pong bisitahin ang aking Facebook account, Renato De La Toro Jr. Marami rin po tayong unit na nakapost doon. Alright, wag na nating patagalin to, pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo ng notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Let's start! Andito na pong mga unit natin. Ang una sa ating lineup, 2018 Nissan Juke 1.6L automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 58,000 km, price 498,000. Location Las Piñas City. Mayroon tayo ditong quality na Nissan Juke, first owned po ito. Ang ganda po ng kulay, original shiny paint. Naka-keyless entry na to, kompleto pong steering wheel controls, working po lahat. Push start button na po ito. Fresh and flawless ang interior nito. Naka-fabric seats, 5-seater ang capacity. All intact pa itong unit. May kasama pa tong manual and booklet. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Naka 1.6 liter gasoline engine that produces 116 horsepower at 158 Nm of torque. Smooth and quiet engine, malinis to, walang oil leakage, ready for long drive. Available tong unit natin sa financing. Please check ng competition, nandyan po sa screen mga bossing. 2018 itong model pero well maintained po ito, kita naman po sa itsura. Pwede sa masela na buyer to. Quality ang unit, panalo ka dito. Next, 2020 Toyota Wigo 1.0G automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 46,000 km, price 420,000. Location BF Homes, Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap naman dyan ng first car nila, eto matipid sa gas, madaling i-parking, flawless po ito. Keyless entry na to, naka push start button, naka touchscreen head unit, meron na rin tong reverse camera, clean and fresh intact interior at well maintained din to ng first owner. Under the hood, smooth and quiet engine, fuel efficient na rin po ito, naka Amaron battery, naka 1.0 liter gasoline engine that produces 66 horsepower at 89 Nm of torque. No issue po ito, pwedeng pang everyday use. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo rin pong i-avail to ng financing. Ayan po yung competition, pa-check nasa screen. Best buy unit din to, kompleto naman ng mga papel, LTO and HPG verified. Next unit, 2020 acquired Mitsubishi Expander 1.5 GLS, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 41,000 km, price 648,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron tayo ditong quality na Mitsubishi Expander, 2019 model to pero 2020 acquired. Naka-keyless entry na to, push start button, multi-function steering wheel, meron na rin tong cruise control, all power windows, doors and mirrors, pati yung automatic retractable side mirror, working po lahat. Original mileage po yan, money back if tampered. Naka-infotainment head unit with reverse camera, meron na rin tong USB, auxiliary, navigation and Bluetooth ready. May kasama pa tong dalawang original remote key, meron din tong manual and booklet. Clean and intact din ang interior nito, malinis pang upuan nito, sidings, pati ceiling. Kaya sa mga naghahanap ng 7-seater MPV, best buy unit to. Pwede nyo pong i-check ng actual, hindi po ako mapapahiya sa inyo. Aircon naman to, naka dual ice cold aircon, used but not abused ang unit na to. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gasoline engine that produces 105 horsepower at 141 Nm of torque. Superb quality engine, no issue. Available din to sa financing. Please check ulit ng competition, nasa screen. Makakapal din naman ang mga gulong neto, nothing to fix, sasakyan mo na lang to. Outside appearance naman ito, smooth original shiny paint, makinis, wala po itong gas-gas, walang din. Next, we have 2010 Ford Escape 2.3 XLT 4x2 automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 87,000 km, price 268,000. Location BF Resort, Las Piñas City. Silver ang kulay nito mga bossing, makinis. Updated po ang registration nito hanggang August 2025. Pristine interior condition kahit 2010 model to. Smooth and responsive, wala pong delay sa shifting. All power and all mechanism, working po lahat. Kasa maintain ang unit nito with Kasa records. Meron po itong manual and booklet. Beige ang kulay ng interior nito at maayos po ang mga leather nito, wala pong crack, walang damage. Under the hood, no talsik, no usok, no blow by. Naka 2.3 liter gasoline engine that produces 171 horsepower at 232 Nm of torque. Available din to sa financing. Flash check ulit ng computation, andyan po sa screen. 100% not flooded unit at 100% no accident history. Nothing to fix po ang unit na to, ready to use, just gas and go. Next unit, 2019 Toyota Innova 2.8e, automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 34,000 km, price 818,000. Location, BF Homes, Parañaque City. I-check nyo rin tong 2019 Toyota Innova namin mga bossing. Fresh unit to sa mga naghahanap dyan ng 7 to 8 seater na MPV na automatic transmission na diesel yung engine, best buy unit to. Smooth and responsive, 6-speed automatic transmission. Naka-touchscreen head unit na rin to with auxiliary USB and Bluetooth ready. Meron na rin tong reverse camera. Elegant and presentable leather seat cover po. Mas bumagay sa kanyang mga upuan neto, mas maganda tingnan. Naka-Hefotech matting na rin po ito, worth 7K po lahat. Maluwag din po ang cargo bay nito kasi foldable ang third row kung marami kayong ilalagay. Under the hood, this Toyota Innova powered by a 2.8 liter diesel engine that produces 172 horsepower at 360 Nm of torque. Excellent engine condition, ready for long drive. Available din tong unit natin sa financing. Paki-check na lang ulit mga bossing ng computation, andyan po sa screen. Sa mga interesado po sa unit na to, pwede nyo pong i-view ng actual para ma-check, ma-test drive at ma-scan po natin. Regarding naman sa papel, kompleto po at naka-registered to hanggang January 2026. Next, 2019 Toyota Hiace Commuter 3.0L, manual transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 49,000 km, price 850,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Meron din akong sinamang quality at reliable na van sa mga mahilig mag-travel dyan, pang family, pwede rin pong pang business to. Kondisyon na kondisyon ang unit na to, ready for long drive. All stock, all original to, malinis ang interior, naka-leather seats, 15-seater ang capacity nitong Toyota Commuter. Smooth ang suspension, solid ang under chassis, wala po itong under chassis noise, walang kalampat. Under the hood, excellent engine condition, wala po itong oil leakage, wala po itong overheat history. Naka 3.0 liter diesel engine that produces 136 horsepower at 300 Nm of torque. Kasama rin tong unit sa financing, paki-check na lang ulit ng computation, nasa screen. Sa mga cash buyer naman po natin, negotiable pa to upon viewing at free na po ang transferable ownership. Kung mayroon naman po kayong gustong i-trade in dyan, dalhin nyo lang po sa shop para ma-appraise. Next, we have 2017 Toyota Innova 2.8J, manual transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 70,000 km, price 610,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Meron din akong sinamang quality na Toyota Innova, manual transmission naman to na diesel yung engine. Well-maintained ditong unit, ready for long drive, smooth and responsive, 5-speed manual transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting. Malinis at maganda rin ang loob nito, naka-leather seats, 7 to 8 seater ang capacity nito. Goods na goods itong unit, 100% not flooded unit at 100% no accident history. Garantisadong wala pong issue ang makina nito, wala pong oil leakage, wala pong overheat history, ready for long drive, sasakyan mo na lang to. Available din to sa financing, paki-check ulit ng computation, nasa screen. Ang gwapo rin ng mugs nito, tapos makakapal pang mga gulong, nasa 85% trade life. Naka full bar stainless bumper na rin to, harap at saka likod. Next, 2018 Toyota Vios 1.3e, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 29,000 km, price 465,000. Location, BF Homes, Las Piñas City. Meron din tayong quality na Toyota Vios dito, isa rin to sa reliable at pinakamabentang sedan dito sa Pinas. Low mileage lang po ito, first owned unit, all stock, all original, naka touchscreen head unit na rin to. Ang maganda dito, 2018 model to pero 29,000 km lang ang tinako, fresh unit talaga to. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood, naka dual BVTI 1.3 liter gasoline engine that produces 98 horsepower at 123 Nm of torque. Available din to sa financing, please check ulit ng computation, andyan sa screen. Kompleto rin ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer. Naka-registered pa to hanggang October 2025. Nothing to fix, just gas and go. Next, 2011 Ford Ranger Tracker 2.5 XLT 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 117,000 km, price 385,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Meron din akong sinamang pasok sa budget na pickup, first owned unit po ito, all stock, all original, smooth and responsive ang transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting, malamig ang aircon nitong unit, all power and all panel gauge, gumagana po lahat, presentable interior at exterior appearance itong unit. 2011 model to pero well maintained and well preserved unit to. Must see the unit to appreciate. Pwede nyo pong i-check ng actual, i-test drive at i-scan, wala pong problema. Check nyo mga idol ang bidliner matting nito, wala pong gasgas, halata pong hindi po nakakargahan. Under the hood, superb quality engine, naka 2.5-liter diesel engine that produces 143 horsepower at 330 Nm of torque. No talsek, no usok, no blow-by. Naka-stock mugs pa to, malinis, walang gutter marks. At ang mga gulong nito na 4, bago po lahat. Outside appearance naman ito, makinis, walang retouch. Presentable tong unit kahit 2011 model. 100% not flooded unit at 100% no accident history po itong unit. Next, 2017 Honda Movilio 1.5 CVT, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 68,000 km. Price, 485,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Kung 7-seater naman ang hanap mo at below 500k ang budget mo, check mo rin tong unit natin. Naka-registered na rin to hanggang March 2026. All stock, all original din to. Malamig ang aircon, naka-dual SRS airbag, naka-touchscreen head unit, naka-power steering na rin to, smooth and responsive, CVT automatic transmission, all power and all panel gauge, working po lahat. Check nyo po actual mileage nito, not tampered. Naka-fabric seats, malinis ang interior nito. First owned unit, private used only, not bank repo. Perfect din tong unit pang family use, kaya kung naghahanap ka ng 7-seater, best buy unit to. Check this out. Check nyo rin engine bay nito under the hood, guaranteed no engine issue. Naka 1.5 liter gasoline engine that produces 118 horsepower at 145 Nm of torque. Pili lang kayo ng unit mga bossing sa mga nila-line up ko. Lahat naman po yan ay mechanic inspected, na check at scan na po natin yan. Pero para sigurado at magkaroon kayo ng peace of mind, pwede nyo pong i-check and you can bring your trusted mechanic, wala pong problema. Next, 2018 Toyota Wigo 1.0G, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 52,000 km. Price, 380,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Another Toyota Wigo sa mga naghahanap dyan ng first car nila. Pwede to pang everyday use, pampasok sa work, panghatid sundo sa school. Mas maganda gamitin to, fuel efficient at madali pong i-parking. All stock, all original din to kahit 2018 model. Lahat po working, wala pong pintas. Pwede po sa masela nating mga buyer to. Must see the unit mga bossing to appreciate. Under the hood, good engine condition, no issue. Naka 1.0 liter gasoline engine that produces 66 horsepower at 89 Nm of torque. Available din to sa financing, flash check na lang ng computation, nasa screen. Naka all-in low down payment na po tayo dyan. Kung mayroon pa po kayong ibang inquiry at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po. Message nyo lang po ako, assist ko po kayo. Next, 2020 Toyota Rush 1.5G, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 29,000 km. Price, 718,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Ito, another quality na Toyota Rush. 7-seater din ang capacity nito sa mga naghahanap dyan ng 7-seater MPV. Sa mga gustong mag-upgrade, mga galing sedan, check nyo rin to. Nasama ko na to sa upload nung nakaraang video ko, pero nire-upload ko lang to kasi nag-reprice po ng presyo. Maayos tong unit, naka-deep dish matting na to. Naka-seat cover yan, pero kahit alisin mo ang seat cover, maayos po ang mga upuan yan. No engine issue naman to, nothing to fix, ready for long drive. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may napili kayo. Kung wala naman po dyan ang unit na kursunadya nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa next upload. This is J. Catskill Vlogs. Maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan ulit. Peace out! Subscribe!